The power of collagen supporting strong healthy tissues. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. We're excited to bring you this informative video about the importance of collagen in our bodies and the foods that can help us maintain healthy levels of this crucial protein. As always, we strive to bring you the latest and most accurate information about health and nutrition, so be sure to subscribe to our channel for more great content. Let's get started. Collagen is the most abundant protein in the human body, accounting for about 1/3 of our total protein. It provides structure and support to various tissues and organs, including the skin, hair, nails, bones, and connective tissues. Collagen is like the glue that holds our body together, and it's essential for maintaining healthy, strong tissues. As we age, our bodies naturally produce less collagen, which can lead to a variety of health problems. Our skin becomes less elastic, and wrinkles and sagging can occur. Our joints can become stiff and painful, and our bones can become weak and brittle. That's why it's important to make sure we're getting enough collagen in our diets. Fortunately, there are several foods that are good sources of collagen, and we'll be discussing them in today's video. Bone broth is a nutrient-rich liquid that has been used in traditional cooking for centuries. It's made by simmering animal bones, such as chicken, beef, or fish bones, in water for several hours or even days. As the bones simmer, they release a variety of nutrients, including collagen, which can be easily absorbed by the body. Collagen is a protein that provides structure and support to various tissues in the body, including the skin, joints, and bones. Bone broth is one of the best dietary sources of collagen because it's rich in amino acids, such as glycine and proline, which are essential building blocks for collagen production. In addition to collagen, bone broth also contains other important nutrients, such as glucosamine and chondroitin, which are beneficial for joint health, and minerals such as calcium and magnesium, which are important for bone health. It's also low in calories and easy to digest, making it a great addition to any healthy diet. To make bone broth, simply simmer bones in water with herbs and vegetables for several hours or until the broth becomes rich and flavorful. Once the broth is ready, strain it and use it as a base for soups, stews, or other dishes. Salmon is a popular fatty fish that is not only delicious but also highly nutritious. It's loaded with essential nutrients, including protein, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, and minerals such as selenium and iodine. One of the lesser-known benefits of salmon is that it's a great source of collagen. Salmon is not only rich in collagen but also in omega-3 fatty acids, which play an important role in collagen production. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential fats that our bodies can't produce on their own, so we need to get them from our diet. These fatty acids are highly concentrated in the skin and fatty tissues of salmon and other fatty fish. Research has shown that omega-3 fatty acids help support collagen production by reducing inflammation in the body and increasing the availability of amino acids, such as glycine and proline, which are essential building blocks for collagen. Additionally, the high levels of antioxidants found in salmon help protect collagen from damage caused by free radicals. Almonds are a type of nut that are highly nutritious and packed with essential vitamins and minerals. They're a great source of healthy fats, fiber, and protein, making them a popular snack choice for many people. But in addition to these nutrients, almonds are also a good source of collagen. Almonds contain vitamin E, which is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the collagen in our skin from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress in the body, leading to cell damage and premature aging. Vitamin E helps neutralize these free radicals, protecting the collagen in our skin and promoting healthy, youthful-looking skin. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable that is widely known for its nutritional benefits. It's low in calories and high in essential vitamins and minerals, making it a popular choice for people who want to maintain a healthy diet. One of the lesser-known benefits of spinach is that it's a great source of collagen-supporting nutrients. Spinach is high in vitamin C, which is an essential nutrient for collagen synthesis. Vitamin C plays a crucial role in the production of collagen, as it helps convert the amino acids proline and lysine into collagen fibers. Eating a variety of fruits and vegetables can also help support collagen production in the body. It is also important to know that exercise can also help support collagen production. Resistance training, in particular, has been shown to increase collagen synthesis in the body. If you're looking for an easy way to incorporate collagen into your diet, you can also try adding a collagen supplement to smoothies or other drinks. That's it for today. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you found it informative and learned about the importance of collagen for your overall health and well-being. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be alerted when we upload new content. We appreciate your support and look forward to providing you with more valuable information in the future. Remember, a healthy lifestyle starts with the food choices we make.